ICP just slid back into the exact zone that triggered a massive rally to $6 months ago. Whale wallets are hitting all-time highs, transfer volume just spiked to levels we haven't seen in 18 months, and a falling wedge pattern is screaming that sellers are running out of steam. So naturally, the price is sitting at $3.34 looking absolutely dead. But here's what most traders are missing. This isn't weakness. This is setup. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss the next explosive crypto move. And if you find value in today's breakdown, drop a like. It genuinely helps the algorithm push this to more traders who need to see it. Alright, let's dive in. Internet computer is trapped inside a falling wedge that's been squeezing price for weeks. According to crypto analyst Alt Crypto Talk, ICP is revisiting a demand zone that previously fueled an explosive move. That blue band sitting just below current price. That's not random support. That's the exact area where ICP launched from $3.30 straight to $6 before hitting exhaustion at the red supply zone. The wedge itself tells a clear story. Lower highs, lower lows, wrapped in tightening yellow trend lines. But here's the twist. Each time sellers push down, the momentum weakens. It's like watching a car run out of gas while coasting downhill. The drop keeps happening, sure, but the intensity is fading. And when bearish momentum fades inside a falling wedge, that's when things get interesting. Analyst Brain2Gene points out that ICP just broke out of its 15-day downtrend channel with building momentum. Price bounced impulsively from lows around $3.30, breaking through $3.49, a level he's been tracking religiously. His take: we need to stay above $3.74 for the two-day close this week to confirm the correction is over. So we're basically sitting at a crossroads where one candle close could validate the entire reversal, or, invalidate it completely. Meanwhile, Trirex Crypto is eyeing something even spicier, a potential short squeeze. Many shorts are underwater right now, and we just got a daily bullish engulfing candle. For those unfamiliar, that's when a green candle completely swallows the previous red one, signaling a momentum shift. Shorts under pressure, bullish engulfing forming, and price rebounding from $3.31 support. That's textbook squeeze setup. But Trirex Crypto isn't rushing in. He's waiting for tomorrow morning's confirmation. Smart discipline, honestly, because false breakouts in crypto are as common as rug pulls on meme coins. But wait. The real fireworks are happening behind the scenes. 02 Hero Zombie just dropped a bomb. ICP whale wallets, specifically humpback whales holding over 100,000 tokens, are approaching all-time highs. According to data from McTerminal, these whales now control approximately 410 million tokens. That's massive accumulation by large investors, and historically, this type of whale activity precedes price rallies. Mid-2025 saw similar patterns that correlated with a 25% token value increase, per DFINITY reports. So, let me break this down in plain English. While retail traders are panicking and dumping at $3.34, the smart money is quietly stacking. Whales don't accumulate at all-time highs because they're feeling generous. They accumulate when they know something is coming. And what's coming? Well, buckle up. Transfer volume on ICP just hit the highest level in the last year and a half. And speaking of developers, we've got a canister creation explosion happening right now. Base Giants posted a graph showing ICP canister creation surging from an average of 400 to 500 daily in late November to peaks of 1,372 on December 4th. That launch drove a 45% ICP price rally to $5.20 and a 131% trading volume increase, according to BitGet and MEXC reports. So, we've got developer engagement exploding, whale accumulation hitting all-time highs, and transfer volume spiking to 18-month records. Meanwhile, price sits at $3.34, looking like it's about to die. If you can't see the opportunity here, you're not paying attention. Now let's talk leverage and liquidation levels, because this is where things get really fun. 02 Hero Zombie highlights liquidation heatmap clusters at $4.54 as key support and $6.18 to $6.29 as a resistance zone. Here's my take. That $4.54 level is your first major target if this demand zone holds. If we break through $3.74 with conviction and hold it for the two-day close, shorts start sweating. Then you've got that $6.18 to $6.29 resistance zone where longs are clustered. Let's address the obvious concern here. Sentiment is absolutely terrible right now. ICP has plunged 64% from November 2025 highs to around $3.50. The broader crypto fear index, by the way, sits at 26. AI hype has, well, faded. Everyone's either scared or bored, and according to ICP Insider, that's exactly when you should be buying. His screenshot shows DFINITY Foundation discussing anti-inflation measures, including the Mission 70 proposal to slash governance rewards and boost token burns. When everyone's terrified, smart money accumulates. When everyone's euphoric, smart money exits. Right now, we're in maximum fear territory with whales accumulating at all-time highs. That divergence is screaming opportunity. The technical setup supports this narrative beautifully. The Fong wedge is a bullish reversal pattern. Momentum is slowing on the downside. Volume is thin, which means price is coiling for a move. And we're sitting right at a demand zone that previously sparked an 80% rally to $6. Alt Crypto Talks analysis isn't just hopium, it's pattern recognition backed by historical price action. Now, does this mean ICP is guaranteed to pump? Absolutely not. Crypto doesn't do guarantees. If price breaks below $3.30 and then cracks $2.85 support, this entire thesis falls apart. Chain fusion updates are rolling out for cross-chain interoperability. Caffeine AI is driving Canister proliferation for AI agents and DeFi apps. The fundamentals are improving while price action deteriorates. That's textbook accumulation phase behavior. The aggressive play is scaling in here with tight stops below $3.20. The conservative play is waiting for that $3.74 two-day close confirmation Braindagene mentioned, then entering with a stop below $3.50. Alright fam, that's the breakdown. ICP is sitting at a critical juncture where history could repeat itself or price could break down completely. Whale accumulation is hitting all-time highs, developer activity is exploding, transfer volume just spiked to 18-month records, and we're sitting right at the demand zone that launched the last major rally. If you enjoyed this analysis, check out my latest video on altcoin setups that could explode in Q1. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment letting me know. Are you bullish or bearish on ICP right now? I read every single comment and your insights genuinely help shape future content. Quick reminder, none of this is financial advice. Crypto is risky, volatile, and you can lose everything faster than a rug pull on a dog coin. Always do your own research, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and manage your risk properly. I'm sharing my analysis and opinions, not telling you what to do with your money. Trade safe out there.